and welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. All right, folks. So, I am at the Carolina Mall just north of Charlotte, or you could say it's in Charlotte, but there's a couple malls in Charlotte. It's in Concord, not Concord Mills. Concord Mills is Concord Mills Mall. That thing is huge. That thing is bougie. This is a smaller mall, still very popular, still very busy, but not as big as it is Concord Mills. So anyways, get that out of the way. Carolina Mall, Concord, North Carolina, just north of Charlotte, has a Dairy Queen that has an old menu. Like, this thing is a dinosaur. It's crazy. And I'm sure there's a lot of new Dairy Queen Blizzards that are not available. They do have the seasonal summer flavors, but I'm pretty sure that there's a lot that's not there. And I'm hoping that this menu just stays there. I'm just sitting here. I'm tempted to just order the whole daggone menu. But it's like, I go to Charlotte a lot. Let's keep it special. Let's just get two at a time. Fingers crossed, A, that it doesn't close, B, that it doesn't get rid of this whole menu. But we're going to go one step at a time, and hopefully it all works out. So we're starting out with French silk pie, which is coming back this fall. It will be the September flavor of the month, reportedly, probably alongside pumpkin spice, and it'll be part of the fall menu, so it should be around probably through January. Other than that, we've got a banana cream pie shake, which I hasn't seen the lineup in probably a decade at this point, and it looks good. I had a little bit of taste because it's melting. So we've got that Blizzard too, and that uses real banana pieces, banana cream filling, and wafers. So I gotta sip again just so I can post for the thumbnail. But folks, this is a special review. Are you scared? I am. Maybe not. All right, what should I start with? I'll start with French silk. Get that out of the way, give you some information, and move on with our lives. Pie pieces, chocolate chunks, chocolate topping or fudge topping mixed into ice cream. That is surprising. Like, that doesn't taste like their normal chocolate base. I'm not fooling myself, am I? It really does have like a silkiness to it. Very milky. Milky and silky. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like that a lot. It doesn't strike me as a Blizzard that makes me go, whoa, 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 that's like the greatest thing you'll ever have. But it does strike me as a Blizzard like, ooh, that's different. That is different. Imagine you're eating like a Hershey's pie, or even like a French silk pie with like chocolate ribbons on it. That's the vibe. And a lot of people will probably give this a 10 when they try it. I give it like an 8.5. It's very good. Very, very good. I'm very impressed. You guys go try the French silk pie once it's out. Now, you might be jealous. Banana cream pie. There is real banana in there. Took a little too big of a bite. Imagine banana pudding in a cup of ice cream. I do think it could be stronger though. Like I've had like banana pudding ice cream, at a local soft serve joint, and it was just spot on. This is spot on. It's just kind of muted. Which can be an issue with Dairy Queen. I think, I don't know. I like it a lot. I'm just trying to determine if I like it as much as French field pie or not. At first I did, but now it's kind of like, it needs more, right? It needs more banana. So overall, I give it a solid 8. It's really solid. Kind of crazy they don't have that anymore, but I'm sure, well, they still have banana splits, right? So they still have the stuff to make it. Pretty much. I mean, they ain't got banana cream pie filling, but they've got bananas. So anyways, that is the Carolina Mall Dairy Queen part 1. Tell me what you think. Did you like that walk back memory lane? Do you know anywhere around you that still has some old items? Do you know anywhere around me that still has some old items? I like to know this stuff. I'm a food historian in a way, right? But I forget a lot of stuff too. So it's give and take. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see y'all around. Yeah.